Hey guys, it's Aarati and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon. And in this video, we are going to look at several Instagram updates which are in action all over the platform. So, let's begin. So as many of you guys must already know that now you can upload reels up to 90 seconds. And I don't know if it is going to be useful or not, because while scrolling through the reels, I don't even watch the entire reel if it doesn't interest me in the first 2 seconds. So to keep up with a 90-second reel is going to be even more difficult, but this is like a viewer's perspective, and of course this is my opinion, my personal opinion. But if you're a creator and your audience likes to see your content, then they're obviously going to enjoy 90 seconds of your content. So obviously you need to experiment of what your audience likes, or if you yourself like to watch 90-second reels, and just make content like that. The second update is that you can now use interactive stickers in your reels. Interactive stickers literally mean like the polls or the questions or the slider thingy that you use in your stories. Now you can use them in your reels. I find myself using this feature because, who doesn't want a good engagement on their reel, right? And along with this, it's going to be fun from a viewer's perspective to see what people come up with and how they use these interactive stickers in their reels. So there were captions available, but now you can add auto-generated captions. And you can find this setting when you're uploading your reel. Just go in the advanced settings and you'll find it. I feel like this feature is going to be useful for the people who talk in their reels. And for them, the hustle of typing each and every word they're saying in their video is going to be saved. And from a viewer's perspective as well, it's going to be easy to grab attention to a reel, which is going to help the creator as well. And also, it will make you curious to watch the entire reel. The next feature is reel templates. I have already made a whole tutorial video of how to use it right here. So you can watch that video after this. But basically what reel templates is that you can literally, when you select the use template icon, you can go and replace your videos in that template. And this is extremely useful if you don't like editing, or you don't have much time for it, because it saves a lot of time. Moving on to another update. This update is pinning posts. Most of you guys know this or already have been using it, but if you don't know, now you can pin 3 of your posts from your feed and they will appear like on the top of your feed. I personally haven't used this feature yet because I have a photography account as my main account on Instagram, and to choose from my own pictures that I've clicked and pin them, I don't see a point. Like, I can't choose my own pictures, which is the best and which is the worst. Every picture is very special to me. And along with this, I want people to see my latest work. So the latest post I upload, I want all the attention to that, especially if anyone's visiting my page for the first time. Although this is just my personal opinion, some of you guys must find this feature extremely helpful. But you never know, like in the future, I might just pin some of my posts or reels. You never know. The next and the final feature that we're going to talk about in this video is geotagging, and you can find that feature in your Explore feed on the top right corner. Yeah. This feature basically helps you find good restaurants, cafes, sites and hotels nearby you or in any particular area. You can also see what people have uploaded in that specific location, and it gives you like a real experience of that place, in my opinion. So that's it for this video, guys. I made an Instagram update video after a while, and if this video was helpful for you, then please let me know down in the comments below, and I really hope you learned something from this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a huge like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!